Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to accept a friend request in AFK Arena. You can easily accept friend request in AFK Arena by following these steps. First of all, open up the AFK Arena app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the Friends tab on the right-hand corner. Now click on Friends settings at the bottom. And if you've received any friend request, you will be able to see it on this page. To accept a friend request, tap the little tick mark right next to the request. You will then be able to add them as your friend. After accepting, they will be added on your friend list and you can interact with them in the game. So that is how you easily accept friend requests. Now you are all set to team up with friends and enjoy co-op battles, guilds, and special events together in AFK Arena. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.